How to post multiple images on Instagram without cropping. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up any web browser on a device. Tap on the search bar. Now type square image. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on choose an image. Now select your image. Now select the blur amount. Now simply tap on download. Repeat the same for all. Now repeat the same for all other photos. Now go back to the home screen and open up Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on select multiple. Now select all of your photos. Tap on next. Now from square, you can select mixed or square. Now tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.